Dewalt 20v MAX Cordless Drill Combo Kit Review. Power, performance and value. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance cordless drill and impact driver combo kit, the Dewalt 20v MAX is a strong contender. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone who needs a dependable set of power tools for home projects, this kit has a lot to offer. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break down the key features, performance, and real-world pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. Key features and benefits: high-performance motor, 300 UWO power. The DCD771 drill delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, meaning it has enough torque to handle a wide range of applications, from drilling into wood and metal to driving screws into tough materials. Unlike cheaper drills that bog down under pressure, this one maintains consistent power, making it ideal for repetitive tasks. Why this matters? If you've ever struggled with a weak drill that can't push through dense materials, this motor ensures smooth, frustration-free operation. Compact and lightweight design, weighing just 3.6 pounds, this drill is easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces where bulkier drills struggle. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use, whether you're assembling furniture, installing shelves, or working on a construction site. Why this matters? A lightweight drill means less strain on your wrist and more precision in confined areas. Want to see how this drill performs in real time? Click the link in the description to watch demo videos from actual users. Half-inch ratcheting chuck for stronger grip. The single-sleeve chuck provides a secure hold on drill bits, reducing slippage, a common issue with cheaper models. This is crucial when working with harder materials, where a loose bit can ruin your workpiece. Why this matters? No more bits wobbling or falling out mid-drill, saving you time and frustration. Fast-charging batteries and compatibility. The kit includes two 20-volt MAX lithium-ion batteries and a charger. One major advantage: these batteries are interchangeable with other Dewalt 20-volt tools. So if you already own Dewalt products, you can swap batteries seamlessly. Why this matters? No waiting around for a single battery to recharge. Just swap and keep working. LED work light for visibility. The built-in LED light illuminates dark workspaces, helping you drill accurately even in low light conditions. Why this matters? No more guessing where to drill. Better visibility means fewer mistakes. Performance compared to similar kits. Many cordless drill combos claim to be powerful. But how does this one stack up against competitors like Milwaukee, Ryobi, or Makita? Power. While brushless motors, like in Dewalt's XR line, offer more efficiency, this brushed motor still delivers strong performance. Enough for most users. Battery life. Dewalt's 20-volt batteries last longer than Ryobi's 18V in real-world testing. Durability. Dewalt tools are known for ruggedness, outperforming budget brands in long-term reliability. Bottom line, if you don't need brushless tech, which is pricier, this kit offers excellent value for the power and durability. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, don't miss the current discount on this Dewalt combo kit. Check the link below for the best price. Real user feedback, pros and cons. Positive reviews. Highlight. Perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Users love the long battery life and how lightweight the drill is. Saves time with the impact driver. Driving screws is faster and easier compared to manual screwdrivers or weaker drills. Great for small hands. Many users, especially women, appreciate the comfortable grip. Negative reviews and mitigations. Not brushless, so shorter lifespan. Brushed motors wear out faster than brushless, but proper maintenance, cleaning dust, avoiding overheating, can extend longevity. Too powerful for beginners. Some users were surprised by the speed. Start at lower settings if you're new to power tools. Mitigation. Tip: if you need longer lifespan, consider Dewalt's brushless models. But expect to pay more. Who is this kit best for? DIYers and homeowners. Great for everyday tasks like furniture assembly, hanging pictures, or small renovations. Contractors and tradespeople. Reliable for job sites, though heavy daily users might prefer brushless. Beginners. Easy to use, but start slow to get used to the power. Final verdict, should you buy it? The Dewalt 20v MAX is a strong, reliable, and versatile combo kit that delivers professional-grade performance at a reasonable price. While it's not brushless, it's more than capable for most users, and the battery compatibility with other Dewalt tools is a huge plus. If you want a no-nonsense, durable drill and impact driver that won't let you down, this is a fantastic choice. Whether you're building, repairing, or just tackling weekend projects, the Dewalt 20v MAX DCK340C2 gives you power, convenience, and reliability, all in one compact kit. A smart investment for anyone who values quality tools. Still unsure? Click the link to read verified buyer reviews and see why thousands trust this Dewalt kit for their projects.